Hello, good evening mga kasimple. Nandito ako ngayon sa tapat ng San Teodoro. Yan, night market ngayon, tapos meron silang pre-sini. Ayan, yung mga bata, kahit matatanda pwede manood. Yan, may tapat ng San Teodoro yan. Yan. Yan, maganda na yung San Teodoro, pwede naman masyal gabi-gabi. At doon, may night market, may bilihan ng pagkain.
You don't understand! We were supposed to go to Sentinel Prime service time!
Kanina may live band doon. Ngayon, kumain na yung live band, nagpahinga. Pero dito, may mapapanood habang wala yung live band. Yan. Maganda yung palabas, Transformer. Yan, mga kasimple, magandang gabi sa inyo. Manood muna tayo ng konti.
I'm so sorry, that must have been weird for you. I just haven't had a lot of company since they put me down here at sub-level 50.
Mamaya, pag dumating yung banda doon, maglalive ako doon mamaya.
Turns out there are 10 more and they are not pleasant. Probably why nobody ever really talks about
So, kasama ko si Omar, nawala eh. Hindi ko alam kung kumain muna eh.
somewhere between a long
Kunti lang yung tao kasi umulan kanina. Pero yan, may palabas oh.
getting reassigned because I'm so good at what I do.
Mapapanood yung mga bata. Pagka gabi-gabi meron yan. Biyernes, Sabado, Linggo meron yan. May mapapasyalan yung mga bata kasi walang pasok.
Right now is Acetron, which is actually pronounced.
Tapos malawak itong harap na ito.
Great, wait, how do we get out of here? Great question. You don't. No. We have limited access to the waste management area, but the new shift manager there does not like distractions. No.
Yan, malawak na itong harap na ito. Kaya pwede maglaro dito yung mga bata. Pwede rin sila magano dito.
Comes in from the chute there
Laro-laro.
onto the conveyor belt. Our job is to look for anything that might be worth salvaging before it hits the furnace.
Yan, punta na kayo dito.
So you.
Yan lang po mga kasimple. Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat.
It is so great that you're here. I can't wait to learn everything.
Yan, ang gabi niya, no? Bukas pa yung ano doon. Tindahan ng ano, Jara Spice, Korean Fashion Boutique.
Okay, where are my manners? Come on, I'll introduce you to the rest of the crew. Hey guys,
Yan, ganda ng pailaw, oh.
this is EP508. This is Aatron, and this fella here is Steve. Steve? Yeah, he's 4. Question. Do they talk back to you?
Yan lang mga kasimple. Mamaya magla-live tayo.
What?
Thank you very much.